What's up, what's up? Welcome to another video on the HT. I hope you've watched the last two videos of John and I lead loading. He's finished all this sort of stuff. We're smashing out the videos. And today, Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch needed a little assistance of myself to show them how to use a chain. Can show me how to bend metal, but got no idea how to chain the engine out. So here we are. We're getting high off the dirty old fumes. It absolutely stinks, this old fuel.
I reckon it's 10-year-old petrol.
10-year-old petrol, so the injectors should be good for at least one of them running. You going to be long, mate? I'm going to go home and cook the kids dinner. So make sure you go check out the other videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Stick around. John, hurry up. You won't. This is where, oh, she's free. All right, we're going to roll the car back or we're going to move the motor. Watch
It's going to miss.
Watch the O2 sensor.
Yeah, none of that stuff doesn't matter because it's not going to be rubber injections. So.
Need the gearbox on the... That looks better. Since the... Do you want the jack still there? Or... How's that strategic car pushing right there? Oh, look at that. He's even got a Dexter kill bag. The plastic's down. Oh, you didn't end up finding your plug.
Yeah. Right, so we should be able to push it like that.
Look at that. All right, straight into the hot rod. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, you got a bucket we can drain that into?
Yeah, just rig it around the side. Put it, or spin it around. So I'm going to sit down here.
Yeah, no, I don't want to get trans fluid all over your driveway like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to VoiceOver Mac. Now, this is the first time I've ever put a car on a rotisserie, but it's not John's first rodeo. So first we had to disconnect the steering arms, the steering box, and John's undoing all the front end of the K-frame. Disconnect brake lines. I wasn't going to do everything individually, so you can just see it in super fast time. Steering column out. We dropped the K-frame now. John did all the heavy lifting because it was his car. There you go, bud. There you go. Then we start unpicking all the nuts and bolts on the actual firewall. And John had an absolute rat bag of a time trying to get these bolts. A little bit of swearing, so it's good it's in time lapse. Okay, we've taken the steering wheel out. As you've seen, Johnny is just fluffing about like an old mole, playing with a dog. Like, there's more better things to do. We've had an absolute nightmare of a time. Well, John has. All the steering's out, bracket, handbrake cables, all that sort of stuff, fuel lines. I've undone all these body bolts. It's literally holding on by one, and the one that John's trying to get out and done. Are you all right there, mate?
No.
Breathe.
It's not fun.
You're very noisy over here, mate. Can you just shut the bloody hell up and hurry up?
I'm trying.
Far out.
It's not fun.
So as you can see, I've literally got one bolt up there and a washer that I've just dropped. He's throwing shit everywhere. No, you can't have it. So we're getting it all ready. This is nearly ready to come off as soon as John hurry up. Then we'll get it on the front on. Yay, that wasn't that hard. Johnny's a bad boy.
I'm a bad boy.
You've been swearing all morning, making lots of noise, tripping me to tears. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're ready.
Right. So you should be able to just crack.
Oh, crap. There we go. Yeah, it's still in there. I thought it was out enough.
Yeah. I knew there'd be something there, but that's not. That might have been worse.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah.
And it was my side too, so my bad. So he's going to make a plate here.
Yeah, so I'll probably make that plate. You can actually buy these plates, replace plates.
Yep.
I might just end up buying them. If not, I'll just make them. And I'll probably make that little section there.
Nice, Gary. All right, rear up, diff out. Stage 1 of setting up the lift. Now here's a hint. Make sure your car and the actual lift is both on level ground, because that gave us a whole heap of dramas when we were trying to level it up later. We made a couple of 50 by 50 L brackets that bolted into where the bumperette sits on, and then we welded that to the rotisserie hoist. Then we made sure it was all level. Now Johnny actually let me weld it, so if it falls off, you can blame John for letting me weld it. It's not my welds. Now this is where I was trying to level it up, and having the hoist on not even ground was an absolute pain in the bum. Here we are, stage 2, getting the front ready. Now this blew my mind. There's literally 2 bolts holding on a couple of little pickup points in the firewall there. Now the hoist is all in position. We're welding off all the moving parts, because you don't want to rely on those little bolts that just screw down onto the moving parts. So John said we're going to weld it all off and secure it amazingly. Moving along nicely. All the front is whacked on, welded in, bolted on. Old mate's not going to be worried that we just cut up his brand new bloody second-hand car hoist. What do you call it? Spit roast. Here's one we prepared earlier. He's always laying down in this video. He's freaking doing nothing. Freaking doing nothing. Alright, we'll whip the dip out, and we should be good. Are you still there? What? Hurry up. Hammer. Can't undo bolts with a hammer, mate. Stage 3, this is the link bar, most important. It stops the 2 ends of the lifts splitting apart, so this is quite crucial to make sure it's all linked up and nice and tight together. Alright, I haven't filmed it because we had absolute binding issues aplenty trying to jack it up. John was got upset. He just wanted to bloody burn the joint down. I said, it's not that bad. Relax. I love it how there's no wheel stoppers.
What's moving?
That, we have to take that bar, that's got to come out.
Might have been.
What a day. What a bloody day. We've got heaps done on the hot rod today. Chopped is only in 4 weeks. He's going to be over at my house every night this week. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop when the HT falls.
More jaw, will go.
Well, the flame's gotten bigger, so that's good, because we're only onto the we're on the bloody fuel line now.
Well, you know, it's warm. It's nice.
Getting a bit cool.
Oh, think it knocked over the fuel tank.
Oh no! Kaboom!
All right.
Alright.
The fuel tank.
Wife, there it is. You happy? Well done, mate. Well done.
It's really awesome. Yeah, rocker.
What a shit one. You think it'd have one of those winders.
I know.
We going over? What are you doing?
Yeah, I was
You're just playing with yourself. Playing with your car. Yeah.
Is that going to hit the water?
Nah. Nah, but everything else is the inside of the floor. No, it's good. Yeah. Hey, get out before you get covered. So it turns out I didn't film any of us rolling it then for the first time, so that's awesome. And I did an outro. I said thanks for watching. Check it out. This will be going to the sandblasters. So I didn't get a nice video of it rolling. But as you can see, it worked. It's been a bloody day putting up with John's shit. 4 weeks till chopped.
G'day.
Like, comment, subscribe, stick around, check it out. You won't, John.
See ya.
Bye, bye, bye. Oh, that's in pretty good nick. Joseph Goodnick. Must have had a big block in it.
Oh, it was a big block.
Big block hammer.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Not a detail. We'll make it fit.
Did I mention you got new door skins? Got new door skins.
Yeah. I need to think of this.
New door skin and half chop. Speaking of chopped, I'm not there yet. Haven't built my car. Happy bloody Sunday, and I tell you what, I am in a secret shed, and I tell you what, there is a couple of barn finds. I'm not going to touch the paint on that one, but I tell you what, SV88, absolute barn find, shed find. Look at the dust. Bloody, must be a plumber or someone that works at Reese with all that crap. But I think we're going to have to get this weapon out. Sorry, Commodore Man. Deacon, I think I've found a bloody gem. I'm going to do a review on it. I'm going to clean them. He won't let me get them out today, but this is going to happen. Stay tuned. You won't.